The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oldham County in west central Georgia, Southern Fayette County in north central Georgia, Warren River County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, northwestern Upson County in west central Georgia, southeastern Fort County in west central Georgia, southeastern Toledo County in west central Georgia, south central Clayton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Talbot County in west central Georgia, western Lamar County in west central Georgia, northern Harris County in west central Georgia, until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Madras to near St. Mark's to near Whitestill Pine Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, injuries. Locations impacted include Griffin, McDonough, Fayetteville, Thomaston, Barnesville, Cleveland, Hamilton, Greenville, Peachtree City, Hampton, Locust Grove, Manchester, Sonoy, Grantsville, Pine Mountain, Woodbury, Loversville, Milner, and Brooks. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763. The tornado warning for